Hey everybody, it's your girl Tanish. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be making some curry coconut broccoli. Stay tuned. This one you don't want to miss. This is vegan friendly, everybody friendly, nice and healthy. Stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, come we make some curry coconut broccoli. So we have garlic and hot pepper and oregano leaf. Yes guys. Over here so we have our broccoli. We have our coconut milk. We're going to use turmeric, not curry. Same thing kinda. We're going to have our black pepper with Jamaican all-purpose, Jamaican jerk seasoning, and some complete seasoning. And we're going to add with olive oil. Dash that in, make it saute a little. Then we are going to season up with part turmeric. Mix that in. Complete seasoning. Jerk. And all purpose. All purpose. Yes. Make that saute and cook little. Then we're going to add with coconut milk and mix that in. Make it saute and cook little. And then we're going to add with broccoli. Yes, guys. Saute that up. You don't want it sauteed too much because you still want it nice and crunchy. Cover that up. Make it simmer. Add a little bit of butter and salted. Cover that up. And then boom. In a minute or so you're done. Add some of that sauce. And go sit down and enjoy.
Look at that nice thick, nice rich curry coconut sauce. Phenomenal. Food like this make me want to become vegan, vegetarian. Nice. I want to put on the fat and use my hand. Crunchy. Should I make you all like broccoli style?